Welcome to another tutorial in our YINK software series. In this video, we will guide you through the cutting function, a crucial feature that allows you to efficiently execute your designs after completing the super nesting process. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to cut your designs with precision using YINK software. Let's get started. After completing the super nesting process, you are ready to use the cutting function. Open the cutting interface where you'll see a thumbnail of your arranged layout. Below the thumbnail, select your machine. Make sure your plotter is connected to your computer, as this will allow the software to recognize the available machines. If you're using a YINK plotter, select YINK. If you have a different brand, YINK software can recognize and support various brands. Just choose the appropriate one. If you're unsure of your machine's brand, you can try selecting each option until it connects. Next, you'll find two options under End Position, which determine where the material stops after cutting. End directly. This option leaves the material at its current position once cutting is finished. Forward 1 centimeter. This option advances the material 1 centimeter forward after cutting is complete. Now, let's discuss segmented cutting. This feature allows you to limit the cutting to specific sections. When enabled, the plotter cuts the material in segments based on the length you set. This is useful to prevent material waste in case a section is cut incorrectly, as it confines any potential errors to a single segment. We recommend enabling this option for better control. Once all settings are configured, click Plot to begin data transmission. After the data is sent, a dialog box will appear. Do not click OK immediately. Wait until the machine has completed the cutting process before proceeding or moving to the next operation. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to use the cutting function in YINK software. Make sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and advanced techniques.